Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a testing out product first impression review on this new makeup that came out from Profusion Cosmetics, which are their liquid blushes as well with their liquid lipstick or lip paint. And I got all of the shades from the blushes, all 6 colors that they came out with. As well, I got 4 shades of their lip tint liquid lipstick. I didn't get the other ones because, oh my goodness, I didn't get the other one because I am not into dark colors. I love my warm, new colors. I'm gonna do a first impression review showing you guys do the swatches on my hands and applying one of the colors on my shade so you guys can know the pigmentation. These blushes are called the Blush Hour Soft Matte Liquid Blush. So like I told you guys, I got all of the 6 shades from the liquid blush collection. I was like, put it all in my bag. I love blushes just as I love brushes. You cannot have enough brushes and you cannot have enough blushes. When I saw this on Instagram, because it just popped up and I was like, I'm gonna buy it. I don't know which color I'm gonna be applying on my cheek, but I'm gonna do the swatches on the back of my hands. But before I get to that, this is how the packaging looks like. I really like the packaging of the bottle. I'm gonna show you guys the box. This is how it looks like. It just says Profusion Cosmetics on the top, and then it says new because it's a new product that they came out with. And it also says cream to soft matte finish, long wearing and richly pigment. And on the back it just gives you how to apply the product. It just says shake well before every use. Number 2, use the applicator to apply your signature shade on each sheet and blend out for a healthy glow. And number 3, layer on a extra layer if you are feeling extra shaky. Like if you want more pigment, you can apply it as well. So you can build it up to 1 or 2 pumps. We are gonna be finding out if that's true. The amount that these have is 0.21 fluid ounce, 6 millimeters. So you can say it has a lot of product, but not as much. These tend to have a lightweight, creamy texture that seemingly blends to a perfect soft matte finish. It's supposed to be creamy at the beginning, but then it's gonna go to this matte finish. And the shade that I'm holding right now is called Sangria. I'm gonna show you guys the packaging of the bottle. I really like how it looks. I like that it is a frosty, not glass, because it's not glass, it's like a plastic, well, not plastic as well, it's just a frosty container. I just like how fancy it looks. And then it has this rose gold glittery top, and then it just says Profusion Cosmetics Blush Hour Soft Matte Liquid Blush, and on the bottom it just have the shade number. I'm gonna do the swatch on the back of my hands, and then I'm gonna apply one on my cheek and see if it's gonna give you that matte powdery finish that it say it's supposed to give you. And they as well came out with a liquid liner that I should have used for this video. I think I'm gonna use it on top of this black eyeliner. I'm gonna see how it is gonna show up. The bright light neon eyeliner, the orange one, I did not purchase this. They sent it to me, just basically saying like, thank you for buying this product. Here, this is another product that you should try. I'm really excited that they sent me that one, and especially that color as well, because I think that color is like a really nice spring summery color now that we are close to spring, and now that summer is just like right around the corner. The first one that I'm gonna do the swatch is called Paloma. I think you can use liquid blush as a liquid lipstick as well. I think they will work nicely like that too. So Paloma is a bright red color and it's really pigmented as you guys saw, so a little bit goes a long way. The next one that I'm gonna do the swatch is called Sangria, purpley color. So the next dark color called Cosmo. This is a nice red with a little bit of orange color. Now I'm gonna move on to the lightest color. The next one is called May Tai. I think this one is the one that I'm gonna be applying for today's look. Then the next one is called Beijini. Oh, this is nice as well. I think Beijini is gonna be the one that I'm gonna be applying. And lastly, we got the color Rose. That is the brightest pink color. So these are all the color. I think this color a really nice color. If you have light to fair skin tone, the lighter shade will work amazing for you. And if you have a medium to deep skin tone, the darkest color will work nice. And for today's look, I'm gonna use this color right here that is called Beijini, and they feel really creamy and they do transfer. I'm gonna do this sample with my fingers here. Yeah, you guys, they do transfer. So just let it dry just a little bit and it will work nicely. So I'm gonna take the color Beijini like I told you guys. I start from here. A lot of product comes in the tube, so I don't have to stick the product to get more product. Get a lot of product in the sponge, so a little bit goes a long way with this product. You just have to be light-handed with it. For blending this blush, I'm gonna use the Bedazzling Tool brush, and this is the number 962, and it's called the Atlantic blusher. And just gonna blend it. I don't think you can see so much of the blush on me. It's not as pigmented as I wanted it to be, but this is just one layer. Let me apply the second layer. They say that you can build it up, so I'm gonna apply the second layer. I'm gonna work with one shade first. Okay, now I can see the color. You can definitely build it up. If you wanna build it up to a second layer, you can do so. This is nice, you guys. Can you see this? Like, look at this. I love to apply blush on my nose. And it doesn't have a smell at all, so that is really nice. You guys saw how creamy it is when you apply it, and then when you blend it, it blends out as a matte finish. This is a really nice blush. These blushes cost $6 on their website. Like, it costs $6. You can purchase it at the website profusioncosmetic.com, or also you can find it at Walmart. Profusion, you guys did your thing with this blush. Next, I'm gonna be applying the liquid liner. I was opening, but I forgot to tell you guys. I'm gonna be applying the liquid liner, the neon liner. This one called Strobe. And I know that I already did my wing line, but I'm gonna apply it on top of this eyeliner. Hopefully, I don't mess it up. Look at this in my back of my hand. Oh, the camera is washing it out, but in person, I'm buying the other colors. If I didn't have these lashes on, I think it would work nicely. But because I have the lashes on, it's really hard for me to work with it, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. And I like the look with this pop of orange color. What happens if I put it here on the inner corner? Profusion Cosmetic, if you're watching this video, thank you for putting this item on my box. These colors are amazing. Like, look at my eyes. My lips are looking so dry. Gonna apply my Milani lip treatment. Before we get into the lip, I'm gonna continue on with applying my bronzer. Let me continue that, and then I will get back on doing my lips so I can show you guys the colors that I picked from the liquid lipstick lip paint on this Profusion Cosmetic product.
12 seconds later.
Okay, you guys, so I apply already my contour. I already bronze and contour my face. I already highlight as well. So now I'm gonna move on with applying the liquid lipstick, lip paint, whatever the name is. So like I told you guys in the beginning, I grabbed 4. I know that they came out with 6 liquid lipstick. They have 6 in total, but the other 2, they have the dark color, which is like not my type of color. I like more warm colors like that. I am more into those warm colors. This is how it looks on the front. It just says Profusion Cosmetic Perfect Pow Soft Matte Lip Tint, and then this is how the liquid lipstick, the packaging of the liquid lipstick looks like. And the shade that I'm holding is the shade Confident. It's a rose gold top, and then it has the color on the bottom. Hopefully the color it is what it is on the tube. Hopefully that's the color that what it is on the inside. On the sides here, I'm sorry, on the sides here, it just says Profusion Cosmetic Perfect Pow Soft Matte Lip Tint, and it has 0.17 ounces, 5 millimeters. The blush has 6 millimeters and this one has 5 millimeters. And they cost $5 as well as the liquid eyeliner. It costs $5. So the one that I'm holding once again is the shade Confident. The shade Confident, and this is how the wine of the brush looks like. This is how the color looks like, and they don't have a smell. So I'm gonna do the swatches on the back of my hands, and then I'm gonna use one and apply it for this makeup look and see which one is the one that I'm gonna be applying for today's look. Okay, this next one is called Charming. This one looks like it's gonna be way too light for me. So that is Charming right here. Then the other one is called Loyal. So this is Loyal right here. This is Charming, and this is the first one on the top is Confident. And lastly, we got the shade Grateful. And this is Grateful right here. So the shade that I'm gonna be applying today, I think I'm gonna apply the shade Charming. I'm gonna apply lip liner using the Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner. It feels really soft when you apply it. It doesn't feel dry at all. It feels really moisturized. So that is Charming on my lips. And they do transfer, let me tell you. These are the colors on my hands. Confident, Charming, Loyal, Grateful. The liquid lipsticks are a thumbs up for me as well. They feel really nice. So I am really impressed with my purchase. The liquid blushes are for $6 and the lip paint are for $5, and they are so worth the money. That is it for this Profusion Cosmetic first impression review on the liquid blushes and lip tint and eyeliner. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know which of the products you guys are gonna buy. I recommend you guys buying the product. Give it a try. I like it. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. Follow me at Instagram and on TikTok. And until my next one, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.